Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Then the second tutorial on the Docker is why should you use Docker? Why it is important? Okay. The first point that come into my mind is like, so why we use Docker? Like somebody says that my code is working on my local machine and not on the production, then I will use the Docker. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. There are several compelling reasons to use Docker in a software development and the deployment. Okay. Consistency across the environments. This is the most important point. Docker ensures that the application runs consistently across the different environments from a developer's laptop to testing and the production servers. This consistency helps to eliminate that it works on my machine problem and streamlines the development to production workflow. Isolation of dependencies. Docker containers encapsulate an application and its dependencies, ensuring that they run in an isolated environment. This isolation helps prevent conflicts between the different applications or the services running on the same host system. So because it is isolated, right? Next, we have a portability. Docker containers can run on any system that supports Docker, regardless of the underlying infrastructure. This portability makes it easy to move applications between the development, testing, production environments across different cloud providers. Next, we have a efficient resource utilization. Docker containers share the host operating system kernel, okay, making them lightweight and efficient. They consume fewer resources compared to the traditional virtual machines, allowing for the better utilization of hardware and the faster startup times. Next, we have a rapid deployment. Docker containers can be restarted, stopped quickly, facilitating rapid deployment of applications. This agility is crucial in dynamic environments where scalability and the responsiveness to changing workloads are essential. Version control and the rollback. Docker images can be versioned, providing a way to track the changes and the rollback to previous versions if the issue arises. This version control helps in managing the life cycle of an application and ensures consistency in different stages of development and the deployment. Microservices architecture. Docker is well suited for the microservices based architecture, whereas applications are decomposed into small independent services. Each microservices can be run in its own Docker container, enabling easier for development, deployment, and scaling of individual components. Then we have a DevOps integration, right? So Docker facilitates the adoption of the DevOps practice by providing a standardized and automated way to package, distribute, and deploy applications. It aligns with the continuous integration and continuous deployment, that is CI/CD pipeline, promoting the collaboration between the development and the operation teams. Ecosystem and the community support. Docker has a vibrant ecosystem and a wide range of tools and the services that complement containerized applications. Docker Hub, a central repository for the Docker images where you can pull the images, okay, providing easy access to the pre-built images, and the larger Docker community contributes to ongoing support, resources, and the best practices. Then we have a security. Docker containers include the security features such as isolation, resource constraints, and the ability to define fine-grained access controls. Docker security features help mitigate potential risks associated within running applications in the shared environments. Overall, Docker simplifies the process of building, packaging, and deploying applications, making it a valuable tool for the developers, operations teams, and the organizations aiming to improve the consistency, portability, and the efficiency in their software development lifecycle. So I hope you understand why we use Docker. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. And if you have any other suggestion, then you can also put that in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.